For the following pair of points A and B, calculate the gradient slope of the line AB, the midpoint of the line joining AB, the distance of AB, the gradient of the line perpendicular to AB. So here first question, here A is 0, 1 and B is 2, minus 3. So we need to find here gradient. There is nothing but like slope. So here slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here this is x1 y1 x2 y2, x1 y1 x2 y2. So if we'll substitute the values here, so y2 is minus 3 minus 1 by x2 is 2 minus 0, which is nothing but minus 4 by 2. So slope is minus 2. So slope is minus 2. Gradient is minus 2. Next one. Second one. Now we need to find the midpoint. So B. We need to find the midpoint here. Midpoint of A 0, 1, B 2, minus 3. So this if you consider x1 y1 x2 y2. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. So here x1 is 0, x2 is 2 by 2, 1, y2 is minus 3 by 2. So it is 2 by 2 minus 2 by 2. So which is 1, minus 1. So midpoint is 1, minus 1. Next one is we need to find distance of AB. See, distance we need to find. A is same 0, 1, 0, 1, B is 2, minus 3. So the distance formula is, so here you can consider this as x1 y1 x2 y2. So distance AB, the formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Under root x2 is 2 minus 0 whole square minus 3 minus 1 whole square. So 2 square is 4, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 4 whole square. So 4 plus 4 square is 16, which is nothing but root 20. So root 20 you can write as 2 into 5. So here AB distance is 2 root 5 units. 2 root 5 units. Now the last question, see, they're asking the gradient of the line perpendicular to AB. See, AB, suppose if it is a line AB, and we need to find the line of slope of gradient of PQ, which is perpendicular. So suppose if the slope of AB is m1 and slope of PQ is m2. So if lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slopes is minus 1. So the given condition will be here, like see m1, so we're finding D. So m1 into m2 is minus 1. So m1 just now you got the slope of AB, which is minus 2 into m2 is minus 1, minus cancel. So the perpendicular slope is 1 by 2. Perpendicular slope is 1 by 2. In the same way, we need to find gradient, midpoint, distance and perpendicular slope of second question, that is 3, 2 a3 comma 2 b4 comma minus 1. A 3 comma 2 b 4 comma minus 1. a3 comma 2 b4 comma minus 1 here. 3 comma 2 4 comma minus 1. So now for this gradient, first one is gradient. So here this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So gradient or slope m, the formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, minus 1 minus 2 by 4 minus 3, which is minus 3 by 1. So slope is minus 3. Next, midpoint. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 is 3, x2 is 4 by 2, 2 minus 1 by 2. So midpoint is, it's 7 by 2, 1 by 2. In the same way, we need to find now distance. Distance is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 4 minus x1, which is 3, 4 minus 3 whole square, y2 minus 1 minus 2 whole square. 4 minus 3 is 1 square, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 whole square. So it is 1 plus 9, which is nothing but root 10. Next, we need to find perpendicular slope to AB. See, if lines are perpendicular lines, so then clearly the product of the slopes is m1 into m2 is minus 1. So m1 already you got minus 3 into m2 is minus 1. So the perpendicular slope of AB is 1 by 3. Perpendicular slope is 1 by 3. If I'll consider the slope of AB as m1, I need to find the slope, perpendicular slope. So perpendicular slope is here 1 by 3.